Okay, this is the video. You can talk.
Hi. Like my new hat.
Yes.
And it's pink. It suits the queen.
Okay, how many margaritas have you had?
What?
No, you had more than one. You had one.
two.
Okay, there you
And
go.
I put extra tequila.
Okay.
So I am piss-tanked.
Good morning. We're in Mazatlan. And of course we have room service. Room service, we don't have an official excursion today. We're just going to go out into the town and walk around. It's going to be fun.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it will. Oh, let's eat.
Sounds good.
Ed, am I always that bitchy in the morning?
Yes.
I'm not a morning person, people. Not a morning person.
I discovered that really early. Unfortunately, early in the morning. This is quite the store. Oh. So we started walking around the little shopping plaza there, and the plan was we were gonna, walk from there into the town.
That's right, go into town and just do our own thing. But we got into the shopping plaza and it was really nice. I mean, everything was in there, but they were also having private tours. So we decided to take a private
We decided to take a little van because, for one thing, we were in an industrial area there, right by the seaport, and we'd have to take it was a sketchy neighborhood, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It was a sketchy neighborhood just outside there.
Yeah.
So we were solicited by basically a local tour.
Yeah, local tour guys. Unfortunately, we can't remember the name.
No,
Otherwise,
we would love to give him a shout out, but we don't
can't
remember.
the name
But the tour guide was
all.
really excellent.
Yeah, and it was fun.
It was fun.
Like there was about 3 other people in the van.
There was a
with
couple.
us.
It was like a private little tour. It was perfect.
It was perfect for us.
And in between there is a small rock, sea lions all year round. For boys. Then see the cathedral at the end, we're going to go here too. This is the first monument of today. 5,000 motorcycles come from all over, Alaska, Canada, United States, all over. At the end, there is a white water slide. You see it at the end? The third best Mardi Gras of the world, after Brazil, New Orleans, and then Mazatlan. For Mexican tourists.
Yeah, Abbey Road, yeah.
Don't let me down. We all live in a yellow
So we came back. We decided before going back to the ship, we thought we would just walk around in a little
Yeah.
They have a nice little plaza there at the
That's
terminal.
it. Yeah, and they have lots of little restaurants that are outside, and there's
Shopping.
nothing I like doing more.
Bars.
Is not bars, but nice little restaurant and having
Drinks.
a drink and a meal
Yes, we were hungry.
outside. Yeah, because we were really hungry by this point.
Yeah, it was about noonish, and we were hungry. So we did find this little place. They had an outdoor seating there, and we thought, okay, let's order some food here. Let's have some nice alcoholic beverages.
Beverages. That's what you had a
And
beer.
I had a beer, and you had
What else would I have had?
yeah,
A
you had
margarita.
Yeah, and that wasn't your first.
No, no, that was
mean,
my first that day.
It wouldn't be your first. That's what I meant to
Yeah,
say.
okay, 'cause that was my first that day.
And what did you order to eat? I don't remember what
Well-
I ordered. What did I order? I ordered
You had a quesadilla or something. like that.
quesadilla. Yeah, and you had
I thought I love fish tacos, and I've had fish tacos all over the place. Some are excellent, some are good, but I've never really had a bad fish taco until this place. Do not get the fish tacos in that little market village place.
we don't even remember the name of the place, but yeah, it was.
It was awful.
Yeah, there was something wrong with that fish. I think even the waiter warned us about it.
Yeah, I think yeah, and we're like, oh no, we'll do it anyway.
So we said, well, I had the fish tacos. He said, oh really? You know the fish tacos? Okay, well.
And we're like, okay. It's a good thing I had margaritas.
Yeah, because afterwards you had to buy a hat.
Yes, I had to buy a beautiful pink hat, which I'd be wearing right now, but I'm in the process of moving house. I bought a smaller house, and my hat is packed in one of the million boxes that are waiting
Yes.
to be shipped out.
And this is we're filming out here because it's a beautiful spring day.
Yeah, 17 degrees.
17 degrees,
I
which
know,
is
on
beautiful
April
for Canada.
3rd. Yeah. And this is the last time I'll probably film in my old backyard where I raised all my children and grandchildren.
She's talking about her pets,
No.
wildlife and creatures.
No, well, I've got that, but I also had my children here.
Fair enough.
Yeah, my grandchildren.
Sometimes the lines are blurred with people when you say your children. I don't even know what you're talking about. Okay, this is the video. You can talk.
Like my new hat.
Yes.
And it's pink. It suits the queen.
Okay, how many margaritas have you had? No, you had more than one. You had one. Okay, there you go.
Put extra tequila in. So I am piss tanked.
Hello. Yes, I'm wearing orange glasses. Why? Why am I wearing orange glasses, baby?
Tonight is orange party night, so you dress in orange.
Yes, and that is actually Avi's natural hair color.
No, it's
She was
not.
dyeing it before.
Avi, why were we dressed in orange?
Well, Holland America loves to do this orange party. And you're probably saying, okay, what is an orange party? Apparently in the Netherlands, they celebrate once a year the Royal House of Orange, which is actually a celebration of the national King's Day or Queen's Day. I guess it depends who's in power. And it's become a tradition on every single Holland America cruise. So of course we got into the spirit
Dancing
of the
for-
orange.
and
Yeah,
all sorts
There's
of
dancing and food
what the best thing about the orange party is the crew. I mean,
Oh,
the
gosh,
high-end
yes.
crew, the first and second command. I don't know if the captain was there or not, but they get right
No,
down on
he had
stage.
to deal with emergency that day. I remember he was supposed
Oh,
to
that's
be
right, the
there.
iceberg.
Yeah, not the iceberg.
Yeah,
In the Gulf of Mexico, there's no icebergs.
it was the Gulf of California.
No, this tour was.
We were in the Gulf of California. The Gulf of Mexico is on the other side.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, by the way, we're calling it the Gulf of Mexico. We're not calling it the Gulf of America. But we were on the other side. We were in the Gulf of California.
Are you sure?
Yes, absolutely sure.
But didn't it go into the Gulf?
At this point, I'm going to edit in a map of the Gulf of California.
It's a good thing I'm not driving the boat.
So yes, it's orange party. We're on a Holland ship, so orange is the color, I guess. And here's some good news, Avi. You found
My
what?
Christmas magnets.
Exactly. And here they have. We put them on our door. Look at that. Oops. Merry Christmas, everyone. It is December.
So this is what we've had. Some beef brisket. We both ordered it the same, and Abby is going to have it as well.
Yep.
With her orange wig, and it looks amazing. We're going to enjoy ourselves.
Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, put on, baby, now. We're gonna work it in a while.
So we had a great time at this orange party. It was amazing.
It was a blast. Yeah.
What happened to you though? You were a little disappointed.
I was a little bit disappointed. On previous Holland America cruises, at the orange party, everybody dresses in orange, and lots of people have orange wigs. So I went out and I bought an orange wig because I wanted to fit in this time, and I was the only passenger
Only
wearing
one.
it.
There was nobody else with an orange wig.
People were. People in the crew
people,
were.
yeah,
yes.
but they and we got attraction from them, but apparently nobody else seemed to. They just looked at us with really weird looks. So the next video, we end up going to sea. We spent some time in the
Yes,
cabana.
in our cabana.
And in the
yes.
evening, what happened?
We are at the BB King room where we partake in a game show.
And I embarrassed myself.
Yes,
And,
so good.
the next day, of course, we ended up going to Loreto, looking for fossils, touring around, walking around, and in the morning of that day,
Oh, my world was rocked with some news. Yep.
big news.
Oh, big news.
You'll find out
Yep.
about it next time. Join us here again at Navy Adventures. Like and subscribe the video,
Please do. Yep.
leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.